Friends, benefit amounts are changing. Our federal government has just made a shocking announcement that will affect millions of seniors, retirees, and Medicare beneficiaries. And some Americans may see a decrease in their monthly benefits soon. Lawmakers have also approved another round of relief payments for a more targeted group of individuals. $250 checks are set to go out in just a few days. My friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. And in a video later today, I will be announcing a winner, so please stay tuned for that video.
Who caused this disastrous level of debt, this deep hole that we've dug for our children and grandchildren? I say that while the Democrats have certainly done a whole lot of spending beyond our ability to pay and beyond what I think is the appropriate scope and scale of the federal government, which I think should be targeted and limited and focused on its mission, provide a common defense and secure the liberties of us and our posterity, I am quick to remind them that Republicans have their fair share of blame. And while I am celebrating the thought, the opportunity for Republicans to be in the majority and to fulfill this commitment to America, which includes curbing wasteful spending and ensuring that this government is accountable to we the people, let's be honest. I was here in the 115th Congress as a freshman, and I saw the contributions that my party contributed to this. I saw us blow past the spending caps that we voted for to constrain spending. I witnessed us put aside pay-for provisions to offset these programs that we think are so important and necessary for taxpayers. I even was part of the budget committee that in the second year wasn't able to pass the budget out of the committee, let alone this chamber. So when we talk about the Democrats failing for the last 2 years to even pass a budget out of committee, which I'm happy to say because it's the truth, and it's quite shameful for any party to not have a budget, let alone live by it, like every American. We, as Republicans, have made our contributions to this, and we ought to own it, and we ought to feel the burn in our conscience until we actually unite as a party and reach across the aisle where we can to address this, what I would call a curse on the next generation of Americans. Ben Franklin, God bless him, said, when you run in debt, you give to another person power over your liberty. He said the second vice in public service is lying. The first is running up a debt. I've got a good friend who I've come to respect tremendously, not only for his service in the United States Congress, but his service to our country as a foreign service officer. He is wicked smart and a great patriot. And Peter Mayer hails from the 3rd District of Michigan, from the Great Lakes State. Peter Mayer, would you please make some comments on this important issue?
Now, friends, here is some big news. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services said that Medicare beneficiaries will see their Part B premiums decrease in 2023. That is the first time in more than a decade that the tab will be lower than the year before. The standard monthly premiums will be $164.90 in 2023. That is a decrease of $5.20 from this year. The reduction was signaled earlier this year by Health and Human Services Secretary Xavier Becerra. This comes after a large spike in 2022 premiums. Medicare beneficiaries had to contend with a 14.5% increase in Part B premiums for 2022, which raised the monthly payments for those in the lowest income bracket to $170.10. That is up from $148.50 in 2021. President Biden highlighted the drop in premiums at a recent event, using the announcement to tout Democrats as a party that will protect Social Security and Medicare. President Biden criticized the plan laid out last week by House Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy and Republicans, calling their agenda a thin set of policy rules with little or no detail. The U.S. president also slammed Republican Senators Ron Johnson of Wisconsin and Rick Scott of Florida for their plans that suggest Social Security and Medicare should be discretionary spending rather than mandatory programs. A key driver of the 2022 hike was a projected jump in spending due to a costly new drug for Alzheimer's disease. However, since then, the prescription's manufacturer has cut the price. The agency said it would factor the lower than forecast spending into the 2023 premium. Also, spending was lower than projected on other Part B items and services, which resulted in much larger reserves in the Part B trust fund, allowing the agency to limit future premium increases. The annual deductible for Medicare Part B beneficiaries will be $226 next year. That is a decrease of $7 from 2022. One of the benefits of the Inflation Reduction Act, which Congress passed in August, will also kick in next year for Medicare beneficiaries. Cost sharing will be capped at $35 for a one-time supply of covered insulin. The Medicare Part B premiums comes as seniors are also expecting a larger than usual increase in their Social Security payments. The annual cost of living adjustment, which will be announced next month, is being fueled by high inflation. For 2022, seniors received a 5.9% increase. That is the largest in decades, but was quickly overrun by soaring price increases. So friends, how much do you think the monthly benefit increase should be for seniors? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is South Carolina. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and comment below this keyword, which is South Carolina, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Inflation is taking a toll on Americans' wallets, especially in the Bay Area, where gas prices is over $6 per gallon and everyday grocery items cost more than ever before. Millions of Californians can look forward to some relief next month. And that's thanks to the middle-class tax refund, which was approved by lawmakers in June. Eligible Californians will receive $200 to $1,050, depending on tax filing status and income. Beginning in October, eligible Californians will receive $200 to $1,050, depending on tax filing status and income. Californians who received a Golden State stimulus check in 2021 via direct deposit will be the first to receive this tax refund. The first round of payments are expected between October 7th and October 25th. According to the Franchise Tax Board, the second round direct deposits are slated between October 28th and November 14th, with 90% of deposits occurring during the month of October. Californians who filed their taxes online and received a refund via direct deposit can expect this latest payment the same way. Those who filed a paper tax return or received a refund by check will receive the payment via debit card in the mail. Then the remainder of eligible Californians who did not receive a previous stimulus payment will receive a debit card by January 15th. These inflation relief payments are part of the $308 billion state budget that was approved early this year by California lawmakers. Well, my magnificent and marvelous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here every day when I post a video. I greatly appreciate every single one of you. I'll be announcing a winner for the Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today. So please remember to enter the keywords in the comment section below and do stay tuned for that video. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed day.